In this video, we watch some security group setting, right? Here we watch some security group setting. So just select the instances, right? Go to security and you will find here security group, right? Just click on this and there is a inbound rule and there is a outbound rule, right? There is a inbound rule and there is a outbound rule. So before explaining these inbound and outbound rule, what I have to do, just click on your EC2, select a public IP address and paste it. Right, a page appears here. What I want to say, suppose a user say you to deploy their website on cloud and you deploy it, integrate their IP with some DNS, right? We will study DNS management under Route 53 service. So you display their website on internet. After 2 months or 3 months, your client say, listen, I don't want to display my website this time. So kindly remove it from internet. Right? Then what you have to do? Just go to inbound rule and click on inbound rule. How we move here? Just one time I again repeat the step. Go to EC2, instance running, select instance, select instance, and under security tab, there is security group. You just click it, right? And under inbound rule, just edit inbound rule. Edit inbound rules, right? And under edit inbound rules, you just delete HTTP and HTTPS and save rule, right? What I have to do, we just edit inbound rule and delete HTTP and HTTPS. Now refresh it. Message display, this site cannot be reached. Wait some more minutes. So see here, this site can't be reached. Why this appeared? Because we remove the port number 80, right, and remove port number 80 and port number 442. See this HTTP port number is 80, right? Put anywhere, add rule HTTP s this time, port number 443 anywhere. Why we take this? We take this because we want that anywhere from internet we can access all over the internet, right? That's why we select anywhere option because we want that our service available all over the internet. And if we save the rules, then again web page will display. This site can't be reached. This page appears because we remove in HTTP and HTTPS. That is, we remove the port range 80, port number 80 and port number 443 from our security group. right? Security group is a firewall. So the rule we define here, all traffic that is inbound or outbound traffic follow that only. If we allow port 80 and if we allow port 443, then the page will display here, that is HTTP and HTTPS traffic display. And if we are not allowing 80 and 443, then page are never be displayed here. This set can't be reached. So if we save this rule, then we see, just refresh this, then we see even our web page available, right? And even if we remove it, just for practice I repeat two or two times for better understanding, right? If we remove it and just refresh this page, you will find a message, this site can't be reached. Just wait 1 or 2 minutes. Yes, message display, this site can't be reached, right? So in this way we can allow rule in our security group. Now second things, you may found, you can find the security group, you will find, yeah, here, security group, right? So you will see there, you see there is a two types of two security group available. Which one is related to you? Here there is two security group. Which one is related to your EC2? How we identify this? Go to dashboard, go to instance, select a instance, and under security you find C604, that is related with your EC2, C604, right? So here under network and security there is a security group C604. You just rename it Abhi EC2 security group, alright? So you just rename it Abhi EC2 security group, right? So now there is some theoretical concept. Theoretical concept is, you define only inbound rule in security group. Outbound rule is by default allow. Outbound is by default allow. All traffic allow. And means in security group you need to define only inbound rule. And if you allow HTTP, HTTPS in inbound rule, then HTTP, HTTPS by default allow in outbound rule. First one means in security group you define inbound rule only, outbound rule are by default allow. Second thing is, there is no any deny rule in security group. There is no any deny rule in security group. You never see the option deny here, right? So in the security group you just define inbound rule, right? Second one is, there is no any there is no any deny rule in security group, right? And third one is security group is associated with your EC2. Security group is associated with your EC2, right? And this concept we already discussed in our video number 2. So rewatch that video number 2. You will find better concept related to security group, right? So in security group, you just define inbound role. There is no any deny rule in security group. Security group is associated with your EC2, right? Now third thing is terminate option, right? As in our previous video, we discussed we discussed a start instance, stop instance, reboot instance, and terminate are remaining. So when you terminate the instance, your instance is permanently deleted. Just terminate it, terminate. Your instance first shut down and then permanently deleted. Just refresh the page. No matching found. Why? Because previous three instances are in a stop state and fourth one that in running I terminate it. So just remove this one any state. These three instances are in stop and Abhi EC2 instance are currently under shutting down state and after some time it will be terminated. Just wait a minute. It will be terminated. Wait for that it terminated, right? Now you can't see anything. Some information are available, but after 2 or 3 hours when you see these instances will be removed. Why after termination still it is available? Because AWS say by mistake if you terminate it and if you want to recover it from my central data center, means by mistake if you delete it, right, we terminate it and you want to retrieve it back, then you can request AWS with your instance detail. So how you find instance detail? This is instance ID. There is a instance type. There is a AMI ID, AMI name. Means there are a little bit information are available. You can share with AWS and send him a request that kindly uh, I want kindly retrieve my EC2 by mistake. I will delete it. So for that reason, after termination, 2 or 3 hours, these information are available, right? And after, when you see after 3 to 4 hours, these instances will be unavailable. So in this video, we see security group fundamental concept means how to add a port number in inbound rule and termination of instances, right? So in later video, we will move to Linux based EC2. So continue watch my video.